MST-Maschinenenbau GmbH places great importance on custom-made systems. Our product should serve the purpose you need. Our employees are on hand to advise you in the planning and manufacturing phases. With more than 50 production lines for the production of erosion control blankets, we have sites on 6 of the world's 7 continents. In addition, we offer systems for covering producing sediment bottles and air cooler pads. Whether it be in Alaska or Papua New Guinea, every site has different requirements and every client has different needs. We can meet these. A test run takes place in-house before every system is delivered. Our employees then take care of the assembly process on the client side and train staff to operate the machines. We can deliver spare parts to you within 48 hours, worldwide.